Welcome to Drawing with Carolyn. Today I'm going to show you how to draw things that start with the letters L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. This is lesson 3, continued on from lesson 1 and 2 of drawing the alphabet. Because this is lesson 3, the things that we're going to draw in this lesson are a little bit more difficult than the things that we drew in lesson 1 and 2, but if you follow my step-by-step method, I guarantee you can draw anything that I'm drawing today. So let's see what I have in store for drawing today. For the letter L, we're going to touch a little bit on symmetry, and we're going to draw a leaf. Leaves are known to be symmetrical, which means the same on both sides. The opposite of symmetrical is asymmetrical, which means that it's not the same on both sides. So let's see how to draw a leaf. It's going to start with just a curvy line and a curvy line. Now let's add some more lines. This is a basic symmetrical leaf. Now let's try drawing one that's a little bit more difficult, maybe a maple leaf. So this leaf is similar to a maple leaf. A maple leaf might have a little bit more little curvy edges, but this is a good start if you are trying to draw a little bit more of a difficult leaf. Let's see what's next. So for the letter M, we're going to draw a mouth. In lesson 2, I taught you how to draw eyes. In lesson 3, we're gonna learn how to draw a mouth as well as a nose. So by the time lesson 4 comes around, you'll be able to draw an entire face. So let's see all of the different ways you can draw a mouth. Remember, this is kind of cartoonish style, but it's a good basis on where to start if you want to start drawing a little bit more realistically. Let's put together those lines and shapes. Here's a full mouth, but it's closed. No smile really is happening. I mean, it's kind of smiling, but there's no teeth. So what if we want to draw teeth? Here's what you do. Say cheese. Let's see another type of a mouth. It kind of looks like a half of a watermelon. That's a very full grin. It reminds me of the Cheshire Cat in Alice in Wonderland. Here's a sideways smile. Now we're going to draw something that starts with the letter N, which is going to be a nose. When I was in drawing school, drawing noses was one of the most difficult things. But then I started really studying the nose and seeing that again, it's just made up of a bunch of lines. So let's see a basic way to draw a nose. There's a basic nose. You can even put freckles on it. Let's see some more ways to draw noses. When I read comic books, the noses look like this. And that works. You can draw your nose however you wish. Just remember, it's made up of just lines and shapes. Now for the letter O. For this letter, we're going to draw an owl. Oh, that's a cute little owl. Let's give him a branch to sit on and give the branch some leaves. Use your leaf drawing skills to do this. Ooh, I forgot his nose holes. He's got to be able to breathe. His nose will look a lot different than the nose you drew before. This one is just going to be made up of 2 dots. Ta-da! Let's see what's next. Next is the letter P. Let's draw a pig. Right now he doesn't have an expression. Let's give him a little smile. What a cute little pig. Next. Now for the letter Q, we're going to draw a quail. I'm going to fine tune his beak a little bit. And that's our quail. Let's see what's next. For the letter R, we're going to draw a rose. The way I draw this rose is the way I showed my third graders how to draw year after year when I taught art in a classroom. They loved this project because every time you draw it, it turns out great. You can draw yours more organically with a bunch of curvy lines, or you can draw yours more geometrically with a bunch of straight edged lines. Choose the style that works best for you. I'm going to draw both styles, that way you can see how one is drawn organically and how one is drawn geometrically. So this is our organic rose and this is our geometric rose. Now let's add stems. Ta-da! Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below. I hope you were able to learn some new drawing skills and boost your confidence when it comes to drawing. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, do so now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for lesson number 4. Bye.
Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com